So, welcome once again to the online 12th class of Fine Art subject. So, students, today we are going to discuss about our next topic of the chapter first, Rajasthani School of Miniature Painting, and our today's topic is very important as it is maximum percentage of chances to ask in the examination. So, the topic is characteristic features of Rajasthani School of Miniature Painting. So let's move to our topic. So you will ask to answer the characteristic features of Rajasthani School of Miniature Painting, and the first point to discuss is variety of themes. So there is a great variety इन थीम्स ऑफ राजस्थानी पेंटिंग. राजस्थानी पेंटिंग्स की बात की जाए तो उनकी थीम जो है उसमें काफ़ी वैरायटी थी. थीम्स आर बेस्ड ऑन सीजन्स. थीम्स जो थे कुछ वो किसके ऊपर बेस्ड थे, सीजन के ऊपर बेस्ड थे. फॉर एग्जांपल बारहमासा. और इसके अलावा जो और सीन्स थे, म्यूज़िक, हंटिंग सीन्स, रिलीजियस थीम्स लाइक रामायणा, महाभारता, लव सीन्स, कृष्णा एंड राधा have been depicted. So there are different types of themes on which the painting were painted. So the next one is color scheme. So the main colors used are the primary colors, for example red, blue and yellow. Some other colors are green, brown and white. So these are generally used in the paintings, and there were no chance of mixing any shade to get the different colors, so they used general simple colors in the category of primary colors. And along with these colors some other colors were used which are golden and silver colors. So the next point is lines. So students, keep in one thing, lines play a great role in any painting, as well as it also play a great role in Rajasthani School of Miniature Painting. The lines are very fine, powerful and rhythmic. Next point is facial features. So facial features always express the beauty of any painting. So the same incident happened in with the artist of Rajasthan. So they played a great role while depicting the faces of the females as well as the males. Face is full of emotions, so we can easily understand that there are so many different types of emotions which are shown in the painting according to the moods. So face is full of emotions and feelings according to the moods. The face is elongated, oval and profile side pose. Profile means side face. Okay. The forehead is in inclining downwards. Forehead has shown in inclining downward means the forehead and the nose are in the same line. Okay. Long and pointed nose. This is one of the main characteristic feature of the Rajasthani paintings or any other miniature paintings in which female figures were painted in a different manner, in which their nose are shown in long and pointed pose. So they also used to paint their cheeks, female cheeks, in the shape of swelling. So this is the very important characteristic features of Rajasthani School of Miniature Painting. Costumes. So next one is costumes. Females have shown in lehenga and choli with transparent dupattas. This is one of the important style to depict females in Rajasthani, with the simple lehenga and choli with transparent dupatta or odhnis, while they painted males in a general look like with different type of colorful turbans. Zaba means one type of kurta type long, and pajama. So this was the dress code for male members. And depiction of women, this point is one of the major point of the Rajasthan School of Miniature Painting, because women have been depicted very beautifully by the artists of Rajasthan. Especially the credit goes to give preference to females, the painters of Kishangarh. So the women of Kishangarh school are very impressive. Bani Thani, very important painting and popular painting along with Indian region as well as worldwide. So the Bani Thani painting of Kishangarh school is world famous Rajasthani painting. So we can see that there were so many great importance of females during the Rajasthani period, Rajasthani or Rajput kings. Depiction of nature. Students, in the miniature painting, it is impossible to remain painting without nature. Nature has always used in the backgrounds or sometimes in the foregrounds. So miniature painting consists of so many different elements of natural scenes. So same case in the Rajasthani miniature painting, nature has been depicted very beautifully. Different types of trees, flower trees, which is known as floral trees, are used to paint. Some other elements are mountains, springs, and sometimes lakes have been depicted in very attractive manners. Students, ornaments always shows with the female figures. So women have shown in paintings in Rajasthani with highly ornaments like necklace, bangles, earrings, etc. So this was one of the major, most important characteristic feature of Rajasthani School of Miniature Painting. And the last one is symbolically painting. So symbolically painting always used in Rajasthani miniature painting, because symbolically word is attached in the Rajasthan school in the form of Radha and Krishna's love. So Radha, Krishna and symbols of gods have been painted in Rajasthan beautifully. So students, this is our today's topic. Very simple, very short, and you have to remember the following different types of features of Rajasthan School of Miniature Painting. So in our next class we will discuss about our next topics. Thanks and have a nice day.